ticket. Talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it.
What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. First and foremost, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. To all you guys, happy Mother's Day to your moms, grandmas, and everyone else. Cherish every moment you have, because the most precious thing we have in life, it is your mom, your family, your dad, your brother. Cherish every moment you have with them. Anyways, as you guys can see by the title, the Mustang is gone. It's no longer here. We have an empty lot here without the Mustang. I have to say that the yellow chrome, or chrome yellow, how some people like to say it, was by far one of the hardest car I had to sell, in the sense of it did sell fairly quick. I've been trying to sell it for, I would say maybe 3 to 4, I would say either a month or just under a month, but I wasn't getting any hits on it. I put it up on eBay, a few watches here and there, a few bids here and there, maybe 1 or 2 messages, that's about it. I put it locally, maybe 1 or 2 messages locally, nobody. And then along came Paulie, a young guy in his early 20s, and bought the car. He came with his friends, and it's really cool because he came with his buddies. They literally reminded me of me back in the days, because they were asking me questions like about the cars and the whole, you know, the whole game with the vehicles, and they seem to be really into it, how I was back in the days. And the thing about that was that back in the days, I really didn't have a lot of people to tell me stuff or help me out, because unfortunately some people are weird. There are some YouTubers who are viral, who have gone viral. Then you ask them a question on how they did it or what programs they use, and they keep that stuff to themselves, which I find it stupid, because at one point you had 0 subscribers, at one point you didn't know anything, and someone probably helped you out. So why not give that same help back? Anyway, so I'm more than willing to help them out. If you guys see this video, you guys don't know who you are. You guys got my number. You can reach out to me whenever. And when I do get the shop, they're more than welcome to come over and be an intern and learn, and I'll teach them everything I know, one about YouTube and mechanics and stuff like that. So young guy came to buy it, early 20s. I think he was like 20 years old, super stoked about it. The car drove amazing, 83,000 miles, AC kicking perfect, transmission in great condition. The car is in mint condition, and they took a very good car home, and I hope they enjoy it. So car is gone. What are we gonna do now? I'm now searching for another project car. I did have a few to go see, but I'm really trying to stay away from rust, and rust seems to be a big issue nowadays in Florida or in Miami. I've been looking at Fox bodies. Fox bodies, you know, hold a special spot in my heart, because when I came from Cuba, my brother had a Fox body. It was the first car he ever owned at 17 years old, and we loved that car. But I've been seeing that there's a market for Fox bodies, and I'll tell you what that is. And what I mean about market, it is that if you have a budget anywhere between $4,000 to $6,000, you're not buying a good Fox body. You might buy something that's running and driving, but you are for sure gonna have rust. Especially here in this state, you're definitely going to have rust. Now, if you kick that budget up a little bit and you're anywhere between $14,000 to $16,000, you're gonna find a good running and driving Fox body with no rust, or very minimal, to say the least. But the problem that is, if you have that budget between $4,000 to $6,000, now you got to go paint this car. Now you got to take it to a body shop and have somebody work on it for you and do removal of rust if it needs to have panels changes, quarter panels, fenders, whatever it is you need to do to remove that rust, because rust is like a cancer. You don't want that anywhere in your car. There's 2 things I hate. 1 is rust, and 2 is high mileage vehicles, which at the end, high mileage vehicle is no big deal, because if you have a motor swap for it, you just take that motor, throw on it, piss on it, whatever you want to do, and you put a new motor in it. So I am looking for Fox bodies. I went to see a few. I did record it, but I'm not going to post it here, because that is a private house, and I don't want to put things in a private house or somebody's property or anything like that. I never even asked them, so there's no consent to it. But they were asking in that range of $5,000 to $6,000, and surprisingly, they all had rust. So right now we are in the lookout. So I want to continue this series. I want to continue what we're doing. I really love this whole getting into the American muscle. Now, I've been meaning to do a small review on the Dark Horse Mustang that just came out. I have someone who has one, and who I could go to get that review done. And yeah, I think it's a pretty cool car. I don't want to just base this channel just on Mustangs. I do have a review coming up on a badass Corvette. I do have another review coming, another Mustang. But we're gonna continue and keep grinding. And the key is to hopefully make a video for you guys once a week. We're gonna pick up YouTube again because things are gonna start to pick up from here on out pretty good. You know, hopefully by the end of the year we get the shop. If not by the beginning of next year, but we'll get the shop. And then from there on, it's just content after content, and hopefully dropping 1 to 2 videos a week. So anyways, that's about it. Mustang is gone, boys. I am going to miss it because that Mustang was great. I loved it. That chrome yellow drove so amazing, way better than my red one, than my laser red one, and it just drove amazing. Car was great shape. Anyways, I'll see you guys on the next one. Your boy is out. Just wanted to get on here, let you guys know it's coming back, and we're coming back harder. We're coming back with vengeance. If YouTube wants to, I don't want to say shadow ban, but wants to throw my channel down to the bottom, we're gonna pick it back up, and we're gonna bring this channel back up, because I noticed that back in the days we used to get a lot of views and we used to get a lot of subscribers. Now it's been a bit of a struggle, and this guy right here seems to think so too. So I'm gonna do it for him and for all of you guys out there. I will see you guys on the next one. Remember to subscribe, tune in, and your boy is out.